In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booklet in Microsoft Word. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so that by the end, you'll have a document that's ready to print, fold, and use as a professional-looking booklet. This is perfect for things like event programs, mini manuals, church bulletins, or simple e-books you want to hand out in print. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. It's much easier to set up the booklet layout before you start typing, so we'll take care of that first. Once your blank document is open, go to the top ribbon and click on the Layout tab. Depending on your version of Word, this might also be called Page Layout. In the Layout section, look for the small Page Setup launcher icon in the corner of the Page Setup group and click it. This opens the Page Setup window, where we'll tell Word that we want to use a booklet format. In this window, stay on the Margins tab. Look for the option called Multiple Pages. Open that drop-down and choose Bookfold. The moment you select Bookfold, you'll notice Word automatically switches your document to landscape orientation and prepares it to print as pages that will be folded into a booklet. Next, decide how many pages you want your booklet to have. In the same Page Setup window, you'll see an option labeled Sheets per Booklet. You can leave it as All if you're not sure yet, or choose a specific number if you already know the final size. Leaving it on All is generally a safe choice, because Word will handle the pagination for you when you're ready to print. While you're here, set your margins to something comfortable, like 1 inch, and make sure the gutter setting has a little extra space added for the fold, especially if the booklet will be stapled or bound. This prevents text from getting too close to the center fold. Click OK to apply the changes. Now your document is officially in booklet mode, and you can start typing your content as you normally would. Just type continuously. You don't need to manually rearrange pages. Word will handle the correct page order when printing. When you're ready to print, go to File, then Print. Make sure your printer is set to print on both sides and that it's using the correct setting, usually flip on short edge. Then print, fold the pages in half, and your booklet is ready to go.